we are going to have a classic unboxing today. Notice my beautiful youngest niece. Like Mozart. Classical. Lovely. Wonderful. So, let me, her crazy uncle, open this up real quick. Like Mozart, like Bach, like Beethoven. Ah, beautiful. Like my little niece. Oh. There is a cloth here for wiping the watch off. It's got foam everywhere there, so the watch isn't damaged. Paperwork, warranty card. This is usually on the watch, but let's look at the watch real quick. Oh, beautiful, my niece, beautiful. I like this watch. Look at that. Beautiful. Like my beautiful niece. Let's compare it real quick to a watch we've already done on this channel. We'll do this. My beautiful niece is playing. Isn't she gorgeous? Marvelous. Classical perfection. But there we go. You guys can see there's a kind of get an idea. Let's take this one off and I've already review. I'll leave a link to this in the description. We'll take this one here off and put it down. Case back again. Just the front again. This one fits my very small wrist. I measured my wrist one day so I can actually tell you how big they are, because they are small. A little difficult to get on. Right here, a little bit difficult to get on. I don't think these are going to last that long, but so far so good. I pushed the crown in and it is ticking. That's a good sign. And I'll tell you more about it in just a minute. And for those that are wondering, my niece was trying to make the song extend out further. What song is that anyway, my beautiful niece?
This is called Little Symphony. Little
Symphony? This is how it actually sounds, by the way. She can play. Show them. Beautiful. Like my little niece. Alright, so this next little bit is basically just me, various clips with the watch over about a 5-day period after getting the watch. As you guys know, I'm at Chesapeake Beach a lot here in Virginia Beach. Sometimes I'm at the main ocean front, and sometimes you're going to see I'm at Sandbridge Beach as well. It's just peaceful there. But there's the watch laid on my reef flip-flops there, all nice and wet. In the ocean water of the bay. There's some information right there for you. All the information that pops up, by the way, is courtesy of Amazon. Got this off of Amazon. Very fast delivery with the Amazon Prime services. Very, very happy with Amazon. Of course, thus far, very happy with this LIGE timepiece here, the sports watch. I like the styling a lot. Hasn't scratched up the crystal at all. Nothing on it scratched. The band so far is holding in place. And again, it's another watch that actually fits my very small wrist, and that's great. And I say that's great because I didn't have to poke an extra hole into it. The watch by the way, not quite as comfortable as some of the other watches as far as wearing it for a long period of time, but not bad. There's a ray right there that one of the guys caught there under the Leicester Bridge. Are you fishermen? Here's some information there about the sizing details of the watch. And remember, you can find me on Instagram. If you watched Instagram recently, you already knew that this watch I'm reviewing now, telling you about, was coming up. So watch me on Instagram at Atlantic Ocean Watch. All one word on Instagram, Atlantic Ocean Watch. Here's nighttime view for you here at home, so you can see how bright it gets. The watch weighs 3 ounces. There you go. Some more information. That's what I paid for it. Remember to use your coupons when you're ordering off of the Amazon app. Save you a couple of nickels, because I'm not rich, and I know a lot of you guys aren't. And one of the main focuses of this channel is to show you guys great watches that the average Joe or Jane can afford, with the occasional higher end watch, as more people subscribe, because of course you guys will be sharing my channel, you guys will be commenting, you guys will be helping make the channel better. So if the channel gets better and bigger, I can afford to get nicer watches, but we will always focus on watches that the average Joe or Jane can afford. As usual, of course, thank you to everybody who subscribes to my channel, Atlantic Ocean Watch. I know it's not the most popular topic maybe on YouTube, but I like watches, and I hope you guys like watches too. So about here in the video, I'm at Sandbridge Beach in Virginia Beach, and it's about the 4th day of me owning the watch. And again, no problems. The chronograph function works on it. The date dial works on the watch. No problem. The watch is holding up great. The golden like accents hasn't flaked off. The watch is doing fine, and I've already banged it around some, just doing my normal thing, also going to work. And the watch is holding up fine. Here's some more details about it, some more functioning information. Again, information from right off Amazon. So again, check out Amazon, because that's where I got this watch from. So again, if you're a mega watch snob, you have to have Pateks, or you have to have Rolexes. Well, we might occasionally, as the channel grows, show those things, but we always want to focus on watches that the average Joe or Jane can afford, that won't have them take out a second mortgage on their homes. And you won't have to sell a kidney either. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video, my multiple day experience with this watch. I hope it's been helpful to you in case you're looking at getting this watch from Chesapeake Beach, underneath the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, US 13 North and South. This is former Petty Officer Madison, aka Atlantic Ocean Watch. Be well. Take care.